Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us today. Hi, I'm Idit Gazit Berger. I'm the Digital Native Director for Middle East and Africa.
And I'm Amir Hakimi. I'm the Account Executive of Retail and Manufacturing.
We know the last 18 months have not been easy. In fact, these are challenging times. I'd like to take this opportunity and wish everyone good health for you and for your loved ones. The recent challenges, however, have created some exciting opportunities in retail, manufacturers of consumer goods and supply chains. And we are seeing some significant changes in this industry. In fact, many of the changes that we are experiencing due to the pandemic would last probably way after it's gone. McKinsey research shows that 10 to 15% of customers expect to buy all of their purchases for non-essential goods online post-COVID-19. In Microsoft, we are fortunate to get the position of the trusted partner for retailers across the globe, helping them find new ways to support their employees, support their customers, and deliver tangible business value. It is great to see that over 94% of the Fortune 500 retailers use Microsoft Azure. What I personally love about the retail industry is that it has a huge impact on our daily lives. In fact, 31% of the world's GDP is coming from retail. In our sessions today, we will discuss some key trends in retail and how technology is helping or even further accelerating the transformation of this industry. Amir, in light of the COVID-19 as an accelerator of digital transformation, what effects have you witnessed?
I've been fortunate working with the key retailers. And what we are experiencing is that offline merchants are embracing new models like contactless shopping and curbside pickup, while e-commerce has accelerated multiple years. Customers are expecting to have connected experience where physical and digital unite and provide more personalized, accurate, and relevant service, getting them the goods they want, where, when, and how they want them. Here are some examples we can see. 36% of global shoppers shopped new brand in 2020. 85% of the employees say their well-being has declined. 75% of consumers say many of their digital habits will outlive the pandemic. 72% of the customers say they only engage in personalized marketing. And we can see that we generated more data in the past 3 years than we did in the past 30 years. It is essential for retailers to have a holistic view of the customer journey before, during, and after purchase.
So as customer expects more from the retail experience, looking for a provider that knows them, that fits their needs, timing expectations, demand, etc., how do the industry cope with these increasing expectations?
As retailers, you understand the need of transformational change. We can see the top minds for retailers. Buy online, pick up in store, buy online, pick up in curbside. Employee health and safety, agile and resilient supply chain, data demand planning, omni-channel experience, new business model, safe and efficient stores. So we understand that you are playing offense and defense every single day. Offense in innovation, asking questions like, how do I meet my ever-changing needs of my customers? How do I reimagine my operation? How do I reinvent my business model to accelerate to the new normal? And playing defense, unlocking data insights and eliminating silos within the organization, ensuring your stores are safe and efficient, as well as the health and safety of your employees.
If there is one thing to learn following COVID-19, is that agility is the name of the game. The ability to adapt, change, learn, and adapt again are key. We have seen that retailers that have already started the digital transformation are in a better position to embrace the level of agility that is required these days. What examples have we seen from our retailers around the world?
We can see great examples of partnership between Microsoft and the biggest retailers. Mark Spencer, one of the world's biggest known retailers brand, is looking to build a digital-first business and design the future of retail. Let's see a quick video.
Technology is impacting every corner of the globe, even at your local store. Britain's Marks & Spencer is embracing a sweeping transformation across its business by leveraging machine learning, computer vision, and AI to become a digital-first business. One that will weave technology into every touchpoint, both in its stores and behind the scenes. Every surface, screen, and scanner will not just consume data, but create it, make sense of it, and enable employees to act upon it. The vision is that intelligent edge devices, combined with cloud-based services, will improve customer experiences and optimize operations. Imagine a future where every M&S store worldwide is able to track, manage, and replenish stock levels in real time, and deal with the unexpected, like when an item is accidentally dropped. Imagine a future where computer vision can spot this, log an entry in the stock system, and communicate alerts to the right people. Using Microsoft's cognitive services, M&S can satisfy demand by having the right products in the right places for its customers, and ultimately improve how stores are designed and these same products are promoted. M&S is not just the UK's most beloved retailer. Together with Microsoft, they're using insights for action to build the future of retail.
We can see more examples of customers partnering with retailers around the world. Loblaw, IKEA, Starbucks, Marks & Spencer. We can see partnership with Coca-Cola, Nestle, Pandora, and many more. Beyond retail experience, we see the importance to know your customer, empower your employees, and reimagine your supply chain. It starts with knowing your customer. How do I use the data to know more? The consumer behavior understanding is what retail is all about. And how do I use new digital to take what you have always done very well and take it to the next level?
Totally understood. So let's deep dive into Know Your Customer. How can Microsoft enable that?
Microsoft have a cloud for retail that brings together different data sources across the retail value chain. Microsoft Cloud for Retail uniquely connects experience across the end-to-end shopper journey through a set of capabilities that deliver more relevant, personalized experience and operational excellence for sustained profitability. When you want to know your customer, we will help you identify, adapt, and serve evolving customer needs for deeper engagements across all channels. It is all built on our core Microsoft platforms, our data and AI workflow, Azure Data, AI, machine learning, human workflow, Microsoft 365 and Teams, and business process workflow, Dynamic 365 and Power Platform. Then, of course, we have the best-class partner ecosystem that can ensure our first-party capabilities as well to bring new functionality to help retailers to know your customers. With Microsoft Cloud, we are future-ready with over 1,000 capability released just in the last year. Another great example of Microsoft partnership with one of the biggest retailers is Loblaw, for example. Canada's leading food and pharmacy retailer was looking to find ways to understand their customer behavior. We have partnered together with them to break down silos and unlock new insights for the digital age. Let's roll the video.
At Loblaw, the customer is at the center of everything we do. Our customers expect excellence. When we deliver a service, it needs to be awesome. We've partnered with Microsoft to create digital experiences that not only meet our customers' expectations, but exceed them. All our customer data was in silos. We did a design to say, how do we democratize that data? We set ourselves an objective, 90 days, and we achieved that.
It allowed us to cross-pollinate user experiences and deliver it to millions of people at once. What AI enables us to do is to make a decision at a scale that was just impossible before.
Predictive AI can help us to communicate on a one-to-one basis with each customer or provide relevant offerings to each customer.
It's really about how our processes are being changed. There's things that you want to use AI for, and there's things that humans are really good at, and there's things where they can collaborate.
Breaking down the data silos really allowed us to break down the silos within the team.
Our employee engagement went up significantly, as did our overall retention rate.
We have a privacy by design process. Data is anonymized, tokenized, and protected.
Data privacy is huge.
We're competing with the best digital experiences out in the marketplace.
Microsoft AI stepped up and helped us accelerate our transformation. We're a business of scale. AI is going to allow us to match that scale with our ability to serve our customers, and it's really what's going to propel us forward.
Idit, as a digital native and high-tech director in Middle East and Africa, what can you tell us about Microsoft partner ecosystem?
Look, Amir, when we look at our ecosystem, we look into two main dimensions. One is how we can help the retailers to digitally transform, and that's when we will be looking into our top system integrator, like Accenture, Capgemini, KPMG, as well as key local integrators that could really help you unleash the potential. The other dimension is through our startups. Is really the power of the Microsoft Cloud for Retail. It doesn't stop with our first-party technologies and solutions. We bring third-party solution, innovating, cutting-edge, transformational to our platform, making them accessible to our customers. Our unmatched ecosystem of solutions extend the cloud capabilities even further, ensuring retailers can find a solution to fit their needs. This gives two main benefits. First, we enable our enterprise customer to have direct access to innovation. They consume the innovation through Marketplace seamlessly. Second, for our startups, we enable them to get access to millions of paying customers around the globe. This is true win-win value proposition. The partners listed here represent just a handful of our current retail partner ecosystem. As partners continue to build and extend our core platform and capabilities, customers will realize the benefits of improved connected experience across the end-to-end customer journey. Amir, fast forward into the future. What does it hold for the retail industry?
Well, retail leverage next-generation technologies. AI can help with compliance, with social distance and mask wearing, automated customer service agent, curbside pickup, shopping advisors, and product recommendation engines. IoT can facilitate omni-channel inventory management, in-store analytic, RFID and asset tracking, and video analytic.
In closing, Amir, we know there are other cloud providers out there. What does really differentiates Microsoft Cloud?
Microsoft Cloud for Retail has some key differentiated strengths. Microsoft does not compete with retailers and is not inspired to be one. We do not monetize your data. Customer data is owned by the customer, and it is not shared to leverage for advertising or any other service. In addition, we have a global, secure cloud scale with the ability to deploy the cloud into a large number of our data centers around the world, making sure you are always close to your customer. And above the scale and privacy, we are built on a trusted platform that enables customer to be compliant. Only Microsoft platform has data and AI workflow as Azure Data, AI, machine learning. We have human workflow as Microsoft 365 and Teams. We have business process workflow as Dynamics and Power Platform. Capabilities are interconnected to make data accessible across the entire retail shopper journey. And last but not least, our partners are building on our cloud, enriching its capabilities.
Thank you so much, Amir. This is really exciting, and the future does look bright. Thank you so much for the time.
Thank you for the opportunity.